$22,609,244 is the amount of money that is earned from this system. Many people are earning thousands of dollars through gift cards to Amazon, Visa, Google Play, PayPal, and more on this platform. Think about this. What will a free $1,000 do for you in a day? Well, you can use such a money to buy those things you want in life. You could also use such a money to go on vacation and enjoy your life the way you want to enjoy. This life can be a reality for you in the system I will be showing you in this video. This is a fun system which you will enjoy and earn money for just having fun. It is a system that has zero investment, and all you will need to get started is your mobile phone. It also a system that is available worldwide, so your location is not a barrier for in this method. This money-making system is also very easy to set up and start. Now, before I continue telling you about this system, I welcome you to this channel, Ready Money, where you will learn how to make money the easy and legit way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that you will get to see more videos from this channel. Okay, before we get to the sign-up process for this system, I would like to ask you a question. Do you like playing games on your phone? If you do, then voila, you are making money already. If you don't, then you may want to consider starting right away. Because this is the system I will be talking about in this video. It is a system which will earn you money from playing simple games. You will earn points, and these points will be redeemed as gift cards or PayPal money. Now, to explain this system well, I would like you to visit this website missplay.com. As you can see here on their homepage, they are focused on earning rewards through playing of games. Rewards are earned and redeemed in the form of gift cards, PayPal, and other payment systems. They have given away almost $23 million rewards presently. This means there is money for you to earn on this website. On this website, you will also have the chance to enter for contests that will earn you extra $400 on this platform every week. As you play the games on this app, you will earn money when you unlock badges which will earn you more money to spend on the website. If you are getting value from this website, please give a thumbs up to encourage more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, if you have not done so already. You can choose to increase the fun of making money by choosing to play the games with your friends. Now, to get started, all you will need to do is to visit Google Play Store and download the app on your phone. It is a very simple install, and you just fill in your details and choose your username to start playing games immediately. As you play the games, you earn points, and as your points accrues, you will earn money. Ciao!